YouTube, what's up? It is the anonymous sneakerhead. I am back with another video for y'all today, man. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, all of that. Make sure to follow my Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. Now that that's out of the way, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm in a new location. Not a new location, I've filmed here before, but I'm home for the holidays. So in my next few videos for the rest of December and the beginning part of January, I will be in this location. So that explains what's going on back here. Now let's get into what I got in this video. Alright y'all, so y'all saw the thumbnail, y'all read the title, you know what it is. You probably seen 30 of these videos already. Hopefully you got your own pair because it was a pretty broad release. But you know what it is. Today I'm reviewing the Jordan 11 in the Bred colorway with the high cut patent leather. I'm so excited about this. I'm sorry it's so late in the day where I'm getting this out to you. They did come out today, December 14th on Saturday. To be completely honest with y'all, man, the reason why I'm so late is because the plug was late. I was a little upset going back and forth with him on the phone today. Like, yo, hurry up and get the shoes to me, man. I need to get this video out. But at the end of the day, man, shout out to the plug. He wants to remain nameless. Hopefully that changes in the future, man. But the plug came through today. I got my 11s in hand, my Bred 11s in hand. And that's too much talking already for this video. It's going to be a quick one, man. Let's get into it. First things first, man, because I want to keep these shoes pristine as possible. Yes, I'm putting on gloves right now. Y'all see what it is. I'm putting on the rubber gloves. For those of y'all that know why, you know, and for those of you that don't, you finna find out. Alright, so we got the gloves. Now let's get into the shoes, man. Let's go. Right away, first of all, I heard a bunch of people talking about it, and I didn't really, I guess, believe the hype, but it is a small box. I'm a size 12. You guys can see it right here. There's a size label. Size 12. Air Jordan 11 Retro. Black, true red, and white. Kind of a small box. It's dope though. Same box that you usually get with your Jordan 12s. The retro box. The only difference is that you got the Nike check on the top instead of the swoosh. Let's open up the box. See what we get here. Boom. First thing you get when you open up the box is you get the Jordan retro card right here. So I'm definitely gonna save this. Air Jordan 11. Blah blah. You guys can read all of that. Boom. Pause the video right there if you want to read it. So now let's get into why y'all came here, man. Why everyone came here. One of the biggest sneaker releases of the year. One of the biggest Jordan releases ever as far as the sheer amount of Jordan's releases. Over 2 million pairs released. And a lot of people still couldn't get their pairs because y'all slept. Don't sleep. Do not sleep. Anyways. Oof. Here we go. Here we go. This is my first time seeing them in person. My first time handling them. Ooh, I'm gonna take out the left right here. Yes, sir. Boom. Alright, here we go, man. Y'all know what it is. You've seen them before countless times. The Air Jordan 11 in the Bred colorway. You got that clean, high cut patent leather with the little. So a lot of things that I like about this shoe that a lot of people don't. I'm a relatively young sneaker YouTuber in the game. So for me, things like this are really important because obviously I didn't have an opportunity to get the 1996 release of these shoes. But what I did get is these, the 2019s. I didn't have the 2012s, I didn't have the 28s, but I got the 2019s. And here again we have the high cut patent leather. And a lot of people are hating on this carbon fiber right here. And I always do this when I get a pair of 11s. Let me see. I don't have it on me right now, but one thing that I always do when I get the 11s, you see the carbon fiber right here. One of the best ways to tell if your pair is real or not is you get a knife, a sharp knife, and try to stab it. If you can stab through it, it's fake. If you can't, then you got a real pair. So, but this is definitely a real pair. I know where the plug gets them from. Once again, gotta remain nameless. But man, quick overview of the shoe, man. Y'all know how Jordan 11s work. Patent leather, nylon upper, 1, 2, 3, and then you got the. I always mess this up. The Jordan Jumpman in here in the third hole every single time. You got the nice red stitching of your Jumpman right here. and on the back it's printed. The printed 2-3 is not stitched. I know some people wish they were stitched. For me, I don't have a problem with that. I'm also happy that it is a 2-3 and not a 45, because this is supposed to replicate the OG as much as possible. Another very small detail that a lot of people don't pay attention to is that, so you see, yeah, the high cut patent leather is great, and a lot of people's like, that's what makes it the most similar to the OG since the 2001 that came out. But if you look at the 2001 drop, you see how you have this little white almost outline going around the top of the patent leather. You don't have that on the 2001 drop. It's just all black, and it takes away that vintage feel, that nostalgic look to it. So that's another really great detail right here. And like I said, a lot of people are hating on how spread out the boxes or the circles, whatever you want to call them, are on the patent leather. But if you look at the OGs, this is the closest that we've gotten to not the patent leather, the carbon fiber. This is the closest that we've gotten to the carbon fiber of the OG since 1996, man. There's one more thing that I forgot to point out, and I know everybody's gonna kill me for it, because I already talked about one of my ways of authentifying a Jordan 11 with the whole knife test on the carbon fiber. But there's another thing that you guys should know about the Bred 11s, and they kept it classic, and that is the shoe tree that comes in them. Let me get this out of here. Bang, there it is. You got the hard plastic red shoe tree to match the outsole. That's gonna come in your Jordan 11 Bred. If you have a cardboard one or something, you got fake. They hit you with the okey doke, but don't worry about that, man. But yeah, I just wanted to touch on that because I know you guys are gonna kill me for it, and I forgot to put it in the original filming of the video. So there you go. At the end of the day, y'all, this is a historical shoe. I have another pair on the way that I did hit on sneakers. So I will be getting another pair probably to sell. They're not flipping for too much. They retail for $220. After tax, it was like around $235. I'm gonna try to get maybe $280 for them. So not a huge resale, or I might just keep them on ice. But this pair right here will definitely be on ice for a while. And when I do ever decide to wear them, if I do, I definitely will be putting on one of those sole protectors that I showed you guys me making in an older video for a pair of Jordan 5s, just to keep the soles pristine. But yeah, man, this sneaker right here, if y'all do not have a Jordan 11, not a Jordan 11, but if you do not have a Bred 11 in your collection, go out and get one, man. I'm not even a huge Jordan 11 guy. I've only ever owned 3 Jordan 11s in my life, and that is the Columbias or Legend Blues, whatever you want to call them, which I got recently, and the gold low 11s, which I actually sold. So I'm so happy to have this in my collection, man. It's a piece of history as far as what got the sneaker game to where it is now, and how a performance shoe could also be such a great shoe to wear, just a streetwear, wear with anything. I've seen people wear these to get married, wear them to graduate. I'm graduating this year. I might wear them in my graduation. You never know. But yeah, man, great shoe. One of the sneakers of the year. It's definitely great that they made it. It doesn't matter. They can release 10 million Bred 11s, and it still won't technically be a GR because it'll sell out, because people will go crazy for the Bred 11s. But I'm gonna call it a GR because it came out with 2 million pairs. So from my point of view, it's the GR of the year. Some people will disagree just because they sold out, but I mean, hey, it was 2 million pairs. People have plenty of opportunities to get them. I talked to countless people today that got them either on Foot Locker, Sneakers, Foot Action, Finish Line, Eblin's, Jimmy Jazz, everywhere. I've seen people getting them everywhere, man. But yeah, that is it for this video. Let me just grab the other one so you can see both of them. Here it is. Just wanted to grab it so y'all can see both of them. Here they are, man. That is it for this video. The Jordan 11 in the playoff or the Bred colorway, whatever y'all want to call it. Yeah, man, thank y'all for watching the video. Y'all know what it is. Follow at Anonymous Sneakerhead on Instagram. Like, comment, subscribe, share my videos, man, and I'll see y'all at the next one.